Let's make some keychains.
This YouTube channel is cross-supported with Solid State Radio, solidstateradio.net, your local alternative.
Alright, so for this project you're going to need some forks. How many forks? Depends on how many you want to make. So, first things first, make a mark where you're going to cut them. That looks about good. That one already looks kind of cut, but whatever. Let's do it. How's that go? Happy little forks. So I went through and I cut the handles off and I cut some of the tines off. There's no rule of thumb to how long or short the tines should be. Just use your best judgment with that. And I went ahead and off camera, I flattened them out mostly. It'll just be easier to manipulate later. So what you're going to do now, put it in your pair of pliers because it's going to get hot. And you're going to use your handy dandy torch. If you don't have one of these, you really should get one. So let's go ahead and heat this up. Let's go ahead and make the rocker sign. The devil horns, as they call them. And don't worry if you get the other tines hot while you're trying to heat the one that you want. It'll cool off, or you can cool them off later. Alright, we're good there. Kind of take our needle nose, bring it in a little bit, just so we can work with it. And we're just gonna take it, we're gonna roll it in. If I can get my pliers on it. There we go. Awesome. And we're going to go ahead and do that again on the same deal. I like to bend them out of the way a little bit just so it doesn't mess up the ones we're not twisting. And the easiest way to do this and keep them really tight is to keep your pliers on the outside of them, like on the outside of the coil. That way you're not trying to jam the pliers in between these two, if you can see. That way there's a little bit more room. And if you want, you can take a hammer and just flatten them down like so. Pretty cool, huh? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and cool it off, because that's what we can do. Excuse me. And go ahead and flip it around, put it back in your pliers, because this is a thing that you need to do, especially if you're going to make it into a keychain. And use your imagination for all the different types of hand signals and hand motions you can use or think of. Just remember, most forks are 4 tines, not 5, so if you're trying to do any American Sign Language symbols, it's going to be kind of tough because you only have 4 instead of 5. Alright, let that cool off a second. We're good there. Blow some of the water off. Now you want to make sure you get this tight, or else it'll just slide off your keyring, and, well, you don't want that. Obviously. So just take your keyring, which are tough to open, especially when it's 20 degrees outside and your hands are wet, and you just put it on. And voila! There you go. Keychain. Pretty nifty, ain't it?
Here's a couple different ideas, which are available for purchase in our Etsy store.
Well, that's all for today's video, guys. If you liked what you see, be sure to click like. If you want to see more of these videos, please be sure to click subscribe. That way we know you're watching. And in between videos, check us out on social media. Facebook and Instagram are pretty popular with us. Which one did you like best? Did you like the rocker sign, the peace sign, the thumbs up? Or did you have your own? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. And if you have any ideas for future videos, drop us a line. I'd love to hear what you guys would like to see as well. So until next time, keep creating.